Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, or welcome if you're new. My name is Nathina Antoinette. This is a lock journey type of a video. If you watched the video when I did the trendy tresses crochet over my locks, you would have noticed I had like some OD buildup back there on this little locky here. And so don't say girl, what the fuck. But I washed my hair with I think it's like that Ajax dish soap with lemon, and it got it all out. But my hair has been like extra dry ever since then. I have extra dry hair, period, poo, like the new girls say. I have very high porosity hair. My mom hated my hair when I was little because as soon as you put moisture up there, it evaporates into thin air. That's just how my hair is. And so now that I'm older, I've learned about, hair porosity and all of these new fancy terms to identify our hair and better care for it. I'm just trying to figure out what is going to work best for my locks because they be kind of dry and crusty. It's hot, it's humid, blah, 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 blah. Anyway, today I am going to try the Aztec healing clay, Indian healing clay with 100% natural calcium bentonite. I'm going to do this with apple cider vinegar, and I am going to add some coconut oil into mine. I'm kind of mad because this stuff is high, but this is the only apple cider vinegar I have in the house, and I didn't think to get some plain apple cider vinegar when I went out to go buy my clay. Ooh, it's bubbling. I feel like a mad scientist. Y'all know I love science. Like trying to make shit blow up. All right. Actually, before I put this in my hair, look at that. Ooh, this is fun. I might let Black do this when she gets home. Before I put this in my hair, I think I'm gonna put some on my face. Because why not go ahead and do a face mask while I'm masking my hair. But I'm going to put this on my face before I put the coconut oil. My face doesn't really like coconut oil as a moisturizer. It does okay with it in like soap bases or whatever. But it doesn't really like it. And I forgot to grab something to mix this with. So I'm just, using my hands. God gave us fingers, so why not use them? Whipping in the kitchen like a stir fry. This smells. I don't know how I feel about it. Okay. Okay. Well, let me go ahead and put a little bit on my face while okay. I don't like how it smells, but beauty is stinky and messy and painful. I'm gonna do my lips too because, yeah. And this is tint on my eyebrows, so I don't care. Gotta get that net, y'all. You don't want to be looking 35 in the face and 65 on your chest and your neck. All right, so now I'm gonna go ahead and add the coconut oil to this. So I didn't really do like exact measurements. I just took what appeared to be equal parts to me of the apple cider vinegar and the clay, and about a fourth of the individual amounts of coconut oil and added that. And so this is the consistency that I have. And this is not gonna be enough, but let's go ahead. I'm scared. Oh gosh. Okay. Wow, I look sexy. I look like a indigenous goddess during a ceremony or something. I don't know. Y'all get what I'm saying, right? Yo, this is crazy. Have you ever done something and then instantly felt like it might not have been the best idea? Watching people on YouTube trying shit. Okay. I'm missing some spots, so I'm gonna add some more. Oh, I did wash my hair a few minutes ago just to get, you know, any excessive product out of my hair. I washed it with that Ajax stuff about 2 weeks ago, or whenever. I washed my hair with the Ajax stuff after I took out the crochet, and I don't know how long ago that was because I don't actually post my videos in a timely manner. I'm gonna try to start doing that though. All right, you guys, so I am going to let this sit for about 20 minutes, but I know myself and I know that I'm going to start doing something, get distracted. So it'll probably end up being like 30, 40 minutes. But yeah, so once I have let this sit, we'll come back and see how hard and crusty it has gotten or whatever. Hey, so it's been about 40, 50 minutes or so. I got really distracted because of course I took like some pictures for Instagram and scroll YouTube and watched a few videos. So I'm obviously kind of really dry and deserty and cracky. My hair is still wet though. It didn't like completely dry out or anything like that. So now I am going to go hop in the shower and rinse myself off. And somebody just proposed to me on Instagram. I have to not have my notifications pop up when I record on my phone, But yeah, because I get distracted. So yeah, anyway, I'm gonna go wash this all out, and then I will come back. All right, so I am all rinsed. I didn't really check the back of my hair, but I mean, if it's still some left in there, I'm sure I'll see you when I edit the video, and I'll just, you know, rinse my hair again. All my little eyebrow tint and washed off, but that's okay. I will do that later. Now I'm just going to go ahead and moisturize my hair. I know some people are gonna watch this and be like, girl, what the F? But your hair journey is your personal hair journey, and you have to find what works best for your hair. And with me and my locks, like I said, I've always just been a dry Betty. My hair does, it feels softer than what it usually does, like right after I wash my hair. But it's not like, oh my gosh, a big difference or whatever. Maybe over time it will kind of help. Just a quick update on that Aztec clay. I know I said I don't even think it really like work. It feels softer, but not like, I have not had to moisturize my hair since that day. So it's been like 3 days and my hair still feels good. So I think that Bentonite clay stuff is definitely going to be in like a new holy grail of mine. Like even my skin feels better too. So yeah, it definitely did work on my hair. I'm happy about that. I don't feel so dry and crusty. But back to what I was saying. You have to find the products that work best for your hair type, the types of locks that you have, etc. With me, obviously, I have, you know, big, thick locks, and I do not retwist often, as you could tell. And what I'm finding is that I get a lot of these little stray break pieces, just, you know, whatever. So I've been trying to find a grease, because it's heavier, to grease my scalp. But like I said, I don't retwist often, so like all of this is just hair, it's not locked. So I feel comfortable with putting grease on my hair. This is the Softy green tea. I just got this from my big sister when I went home last weekend, so I'm gonna give this one a try. The other one I had I didn't really like, but yeah, so I'm just gonna grease my scalp like our moms used to do back in the day. So I have, like, you know, the little grease stuff in my parts. I'm just taking my little finger pads and pushing it through the inner parts of my hair sections, just to make sure my scalp is covered, because I'll be dry and crusty, you know what I'm saying? But lately for oils, I've been using lighter oils. I use grapeseed oil like every day, because it's not heavy. Like, it's a dry oil. You get what I'm saying? Like, you have oils that are like heavy, and then you have like light oils that absorb faster. So I've noticed with the grapeseed oil, I don't get like a lot of product buildup like with olive oil. And although olive oil is heavier and it might sit on my hair longer, my hair still kind of gets dry fast, if that makes any sense. So with the grapeseed oil, I found that I can like still put this on my hair like every day or every other day without feeling like, oh my gosh, like it's too much product on my hair. So with that, I also like to use babasu oil. I'm sure y'all have heard me say that several times. And if you don't know what babasu oil is, it's like, it's similar to coconut oil. But for me, it does not break my face out. Like I could put this over my face. I do put this on my face actually. And it won't clog my pores and break me out. It's a little, I don't know, I feel like it's a little lighter than the coconut oil, plus it doesn't break me out. So I cover my hair with cover my locks with this as well. I use both of them like right after I wet my hair. I like to, when I get in the shower sometimes, maybe like 2 or 3 times a week, I like to fully drench my hair. I just love my hair being wet. I've always liked for my hair to be wet. So after I completely drench my hair, I will do the grapeseed oil and the babasu oil. But then when I'm just like, you know, day-to-day basis, I'll just use grapeseed oil. Sometimes I'll mix it in with my water bottle. I ran out of vitamin E. I need to go get some more. I also ran out of rose water. I need to go get some more of that. So I've just been using this. Yeah, that's it for this video. I'm gonna record, you know, how I like to style my locks. That's what I'm gonna sit here and do after I finish with this video and another lock video. Today is just gonna be about locks. So yeah, make sure you subscribe so that way you will see those videos when they are posted. Follow me on my other social media, Instagram, Nathina Antoinette. I don't use Twitter that much, so you know, if you want to go follow me, it's Divine Deity, but it'll be in the description. Be sure to like, share, and comment, and I will see you guys later. Bye.